Hey y'all, it's your girl Leandria back with another video. I decided to do a soft glam look for beginners. It's very simple and it's really easy to follow. So go ahead, check it out, and also comment below, let me know what you think. And also, I mean, you're back again looking at my video, so you might as well subscribe. I mean, why not? Like, we're here again. You might as well subscribe to me, and also hit that little bell so you'll be the first to know, like, when these videos drop. Okay, so go ahead, check it out, let me know what you think in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe, let all your friends know about me, because I'll be back with another video. I'm gonna try to do at least like every couple of days, so I'm gonna try to push out more and more content a week for you. So it would be nice if you could help me out by commenting below. Let me know what you want to see from me, and I will do it for you. Okay, start off by adding your favorite primer, and we're going to use Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 368, I believe it's called Cafe, and just pressing that into our face. Okay, so after that's done, I'm going to take concealer from my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette in the color Cinnamon. Oh, but before, we're gonna set the foundation that we just put with some powder foundation. Then we're gonna use concealer and putting that all over my face like so, blending it out with a fluffy brush. Now using Maybelline Fit Me concealer, putting it in the same spots and doing the same thing by blending it out with the same brush and everything. Contour my cheeks, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the color Earth. And just putting that on our cheeks and around the perimeter of my forehead to kind of give it a smaller appearance. Now adding Laura Mercier setting powder to everywhere that we put concealer. Okay, now that that's done, I'm taking MAC Studio Fix in the color NW50 to set my cheeks and my forehead with a fluffy brush. And we definitely not gonna forget about this nose. Taking the same thing just with a flat brush to snatch this nose right quick. And we're gonna do the brows, still using e.l.f.'s gel liner with the angled brush. So now I'm just taking my foundation color and carving out the top of my brows. I concealed them at the bottom, but my camera didn't record that, or I think I lost the footage of that. But yeah, so same in all my other videos though. So after the brows are done, I'm taking a red shade from my Morphe 350 M palette and mixing it with a medium brown shade. And then we're gonna carve out my crease with still a liquid eyeshadow in the color Rose Gold Retro. It goes on super easy. So after that, I'm gonna add like a darker brown shade to the outer corner. So I'm gonna do my other eye off camera and add some lashes, girl. And we're gonna use a little bit of blush today by Clinique in the color Cola Pop. And I'm just using a little bit because I don't want no rosy red cheeks. Just a, you know, light little hint of red. Now we gotta add setting spray to lock in the look. And some highlighter by Poshmetics called Queen of the Beam. And just put that everywhere, all over your face. Gonna line my lips with the same old, just a dark brown pencil from NYX and lip gloss in the color Spirit by NYX as well. Okay, after a couple layers of lip gloss, that's the look. So tell me what you think in the comments below.